Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm going to show you how to document the change of seasons in your nature journal this fall. Nature journaling is a great way to develop observation skills by looking closely at the natural world and recording your thoughts with drawing, writing, and numbers. In this video, I'm going to go through two different ways you can observe and sketch the changes that occur in trees during the fall season. First, we encourage you to download the PDF under this video to have on hand before you head out to work on your nature journals. It has helpful reminders of what to do and guiding questions that are going to help you get started. The first way to document the change of seasons in your nature journal is by making rubbings of fall leaves. To do this, of course, you'll need to gather a few fall leaves from different tree species. Then you'll try to find out what the tree species is for this leaf, or each leaf. There are plenty of online tree guides to use for this purpose, or you might even have a printed tree guide already at home. So once you're done identifying your trees, pick at least one of your leaves to write about. Describe its shape, size, color, veining, texture, and any other unique features that you notice about it. You'll also want to make a rubbing of that leaf in your nature journal. To do this, simply place it upside down under a piece of journal paper and rub the side of a pencil tip over the top of it. The leaf's veins and details will be transferred onto the paper and create a detailed rubbing of that leaf. Another way to document the change of seasons is by sketching a Showy Trees fall canopy. A showy tree is one that's particularly colorful or eye-catching during the fall season. To sketch a tree canopy, step back from a distance and observe it. Look for patterns in the leaves and the overall shape of the canopy. Then use your nature journal to sketch it, capturing the details and the patterns that you noticed in the canopy. After you're done sketching, write a few things that you wondered or noticed about that tree. You can use the questions provided on our PDF to get started, or just come up with your own. We hope you enjoyed learning a couple of ways to document the change of seasons in your nature journal this fall. Whether you choose to make rubbings of fall leaves or sketch a showy tree's canopy, these journaling activities are a great way to connect with nature and the world around you and observe changes that are happening around in the fall. Happy journaling, and we'll see you next time.